Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy drinks updated. Start by gathering fresh fruit, citrus, herbs, ice, sweetener, and a blender or shaker. Prep ingredients by cutting fruit and measuring syrups or sugar so you can work quickly. Taste as you go, adjusting sweet, sour, and strength to suit your palate. Finish with garnishes and chilled glassware for a professional touch that delights every guest. Use simple syrups to control sweetness and texture easily. Combine sugar and water, heat until dissolved, then cool before adding to cold drinks. Infuse with mint, ginger, or cinnamon while warm, strain, and store in the fridge for 2 weeks. For lighter sweetness, try a 3.5% syrup reduction or swap in honey or agave by taste. Always add syrup gradually and taste as you mix to avoid. Start with a base like tea, juice, milk, or coconut water and build flavors around it. For a creamy option, blend frozen fruit with yogurt and a splash of juice. For a light mocktail, shake citrus, brewed tea, and a spoon of syrup, then top with sparkling water. Garnish with herbs or citrus peel. Keep a ratio in mind so flavors remain balanced and refreshing every time you serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.